Hello, 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 guys, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Georgette, as always. What's up, everybody? So, guys, let's get down to it. And if you're new to me, my name is Georgette, and a little bit about my channel. My channel strive to inspire all of you and to motivate you. And in doing so, you may just be transformed into someone else because I've done that. And so I know that it's possible, yeah? So keep watching, guys. I have a ton of videos. And please don't subscribe as yet. Wait till the end and you would have gotten some value. Then you smash it in, like, please share to a friend and put your notifications on. So guys, oh my gosh, you guys know as it's coming on to the holidays, I talk about the holidays a lot. And I love the Christmas feel. I love the Christmas spirit. I love the Christmas carols. But let's talk about what everybody tends to do as the year draws to an end. What everyone wants to do. Oh my gosh, I gotta set, what's my New Year's resolution? Let's kick those New Year's resolution. And I'm gonna dig deep into that. I think I mentioned on my video the other day about New Year's resolution does not work. Let's dig a bit deeper into that. And just let me tell you why New Year's resolution does not work. And we all need to kick it to the curb. Let's kick New Year's resolution to the curb. You know, I have done that actually. I have done that. And the reason why New Year's resolution does not work, because you cannot set a goal one day and never revisit it again. You never look at it again, you never think about it again, and you think it's just going to be manifested in your life. It's just going to show itself up. It's just going to be accomplished. It doesn't work that way, you see? And listen, guys, I used to set a New Year's resolution every year. And so I never accomplished the goal. Mind you, I've accomplished goals, but because I've worked towards them. But let me tell you the proper way to set goals. It can be in the middle of the year. It can be today. Don't wait for New Year's Eve to say, okay, I want to lose 50 pounds. Okay, my New Year's resolution for 2021 is to lose 50 pounds. That's not how it works. You see, you can put the request out there, and that's a good thing because you first recognize that you need to lead a healthier life, yeah? And so that's a good thing. Yeah, to say I want to lose 50 pounds in 2021, that's a good thing, but let's dig a bit deeper into it. So, for me, how I set my goals, how I was taught how to set goals, first become very, very clear. Become very, very clear on what it is that you want to achieve. 50 pounds to lose? Why? Is it a health reason? Is it that you don't have the energy and the vigor and vitality in your life that when you walk a certain distance, you have, you're breathing hard? Is it that the doctor told you that you gotta lose it? Health reasons. So have a reason why. Not just you want to fit in your clothes, and that's a good thing too, because I like to look good in my clothes too, honey. You know, have a good why, and that's your reasoning why. You know, why you want to lose this pound. You're just tired of this extra weight on you, how it makes, so go deeper, how it makes you feel to be 50 pounds heavier where you are now. You know, are you able to play with the kids? Or are you able to be with the husband the way he wants you to be? You know, do you feel like he's attracted to you, your spouse, your guy, your gal? You know, so go a bit deeper whenever you're setting a goal. And that's what I learned. Don't just set it on the surface. You know, oh, I need to just get rid of this weight. Yes, you do. But I'm telling you how to set goals and how to set it properly. how to dig deeper in it so that you can accomplish it, how to go deep under the surface, you know? And so that's the very first step. Become clear, very, very clear, why you want to accomplish this goal. Is it a business you want to open up? Why? You got to ask yourself those questions. And then when you become very clear, then now you have to see this goal in front of you all the time. That's how you accomplish goals. And so my mentor taught me to journal. I did a long video about my 1 year of journaling, and you need to watch that, because I have stacks and stacks of journaling daily. And so, but you got to know how to write in your journal. That I did not know how to write, because we all say we want to do this and we want to do the next thing, and the year ends and another year comes around and you never accomplish the goal. Because as you want something, it's actually going away from you. You have to affirm that you have that thing now, because we are successful now, you know. It's just that we don't believe that. We are, whatever it is that we desire, we are that now, but we have to be that person. And so as you are setting your goals, you have to say in the journal daily, you have to journal daily. Don't just write it once and put that book away. Every evening before going to bed, you should write your goals. And before you write what it is that you desire, is you should be grateful for it in advance. You know how they say to be grateful before you get the thing. Yeah, you got to be grateful before the goal, before you even achieve the goal. You have to be grateful for it now. Yeah, so we've never been taught these kinds of things. We've never been taught this, that we must say that we are grateful for the monies that we're earning. We're grateful for the 50 pounds that we've lost. We're in advance. I've never ever heard that until I started with my mentor, Wesley Virgin. Amazing mentor. And I will leave in my gift. You will see, I will talk more about the program that I started. I'm going to leave a free gift below, and you will get a whole lot of stuff, goodies in that free gift. But guys, I've never been taught how to say I'm grateful for something before I got it. I was never taught that. And so before you start your journal, you're going to write that I am so happy and grateful now for such and such. Is it $30,000 you would like to earn in your company or at your workplace? You have to affirm that first. Before you can see it, you have to believe it. Before you believe it, affirm it. Write it daily, because one day you're going to believe it. There's a lot of things I wrote in my book, and when I first wrote it, I felt so uncomfortable. Now, when I read my goals after I write it every night, I'm like, wow, I truly believe everything I am saying. I truly believe everything I'm saying. There was a time when I did not believe what I was actually writing, but my mentor said to me to keep writing your goals in the present tense every day. You have to keep writing your goals until it manifests. You cannot stop. Who says that you should stop? You have to keep writing what it is that you want to happen in your life. Write it in the present tense. Be grateful for it before you get it, so that you can attract it and bring it into your life. Yes? And then another thing, for me, I like green and I like bright, bright colors. So I have poster board. Guys, get yourself poster boards. I have images. Okay? So I think I dated mine, huh? Yeah. Yeah. See this one here? I think it's January 18th, 2020. And January's here upon us again. So that's when I did my images for that. Yeah. So get yourselves bright poster boards. but place the image. Yes. And place it in front of your bed as you wake up each morning. You see it. In your kitchen, put it on your walls. A friend of mine told me not to put my goals on my refrigerator because it keeps it cold or far away from you because it's so cold. So she told me to place it close to the stove. So I place it on my walls in close proximity to my stove just to keep it hot and fiery. Put fire to it. Yeah, so I learned that. I'm going to pass that on to you. So do not put your goals on your refrigerator like they used to tell us. Do not put your vision board on your refrigerator. And for years, I had a little small vision board on my refrigerator, which that is gone because now I have things posted throughout my entire home. I have visuals of the vacation that I'm taking, visuals of the vehicles that I own, visuals of the mansion that I own, visuals of the charity that I have formed. And so you see, we see things daily. And that's just how we operate. That's how we learn. A lot of people are very visual. We all are visual, really, because you see it. When you pass and you see a nice, lovely home, I'm like, oh, that's beautiful. You got to see it. You have to see your goals in front of you daily. We weren't taught that. We were taught to set New Year's resolution and go about our business. No, you have to read those goals every day. Make it fresh in your mind that you know that you're working towards accomplishing those goals. You have to see the visuals. Yeah. So if it's money, go online, go in Google and Google a whole pile of money and put the number to it. $15,000 per month, $30,000 per month. You can write that next to the printed monies. And so, but you have to see your goals daily. And that's how you really set your goals for 2021. You see them, you become clearer. And actually, as time goes by, you become clearer. So become clear now and write it in your journal. Get those images, place those images up. Remember to write in the present tense and to be happy and grateful before. Yes, to bring that closer to you. You be happy and grateful. Gratitude brings you closer to your goals and to your blessings and closer to whatever it is that you desire when you're grateful in advance. Yeah. And so, guys, that's really how to set your goals. That is the 1, 2, 3 steps of how to set your goals. And remember to go out and purchase your poster boards, whatever color you like, whatever color does it for you. Some people use red. For me, red means stop. I want to go, accelerate. So my vision boards that I have, and they're right in front of my bed on my Chester drawer, and one is blocking my TV because I no longer watch television. And so the minute I open my eyes and I look, I see the images that is placed on those vision boards. I never did that before until my mentor taught me that. And now I have things on my walls. There are images right here on my walls. There are images in my kitchen, on my cupboards. There's images upstairs in my home. And so I am just covered with seeing my goals, my dreams. They're like a mountain on top of me. I just see them all the time. I'm walking on them. I'm seeing them. They're all over my home. And so, guys, that's how you set your goals for 2021. Get started. Get you a journal. Get your pens. For me, I use any color pens. It's not about the pen so much, but other people uses different colors. Whatever color does it for you, that's fine. For me, I used the blue pen. When I ran out of blue, I used black. I think I ran out of black. Now I'm using red. Whatever does it for you is fine. Red says stop. Green says go. Also, red has a lot of fire to it. So, it's just what you interpret it to be. I used a lot of blue in most of my journals, and I'm running out of blue pens. And so I just grab what I find. I'm on to red now. But red is fire. Red is fire. You know, put fire to it. And so, guys, get started. Get started now. Don't wait for New Year's Eve. Like I said, this is not a New Year's resolution. This is your life's resolution. This is something you're gonna do for the rest of your life. You're gonna journal. You're gonna make your vision board. And as you make it and become even clearer, you're gonna add to it. You're gonna add to that as you become, because you become clearer and clearer as the weeks go by, as the days go by. You're like, oh, I think that I like this type of vehicle as well. You're not limited to one. We are limitless beings. The possibilities are endless. You know, so dream big. You don't need to know how you're going to get it. Dream big, because dreams do come through. So let's kick those New Year's resolution out the door, baby. It's your girl, Georgette, guys. And so if you haven't subscribed, I think this is the time to smash in on the subscribe button, guys. It's almost Christmas. And guys, I'm going to leave you some videos popping up for your enjoyment. Keep watching. Put your notifications on so you know when I drop a video. Yes! Like and share. And guys, interact with your girl. I'd love to hear from you. I certainly do respond to all my comments. I send you a lot of love and light. Bye-bye. Mwah.